Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. This is Nagesh. This video is just a walkthrough solve on how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. So let's get started. So let's scramble the cube. The scramble is on the top of the screen. You can see it. So it's U dash F2 L D B2 U2 B prime U prime F2 R D2 B2 U2 B2 R2 B L2 D2 F prime D2 L2. So this is the scramble. If you have done all the moves correctly, so your cube should look like this now. So let's solve this. So the first step is to get the daisy cross. So let's do it. One edge is here, two more edges are here, and the last edge is here. So we have got the daisy cross. The next step is to match and then turn it 2 times. It's already done. Now you get the cross. So next we'll have to choose a white corner. So we see this white, orange and green. So white center is here, orange center and green center it's here. So this white corner will come here. So opposite down, back up, you get it. Now white, blue and orange, it will come here. Now white, blue and red, white, blue and red. This is the special case. And then white, red and green. Okay, so the first layer is done. Then the second layer, you got the T, blue and red, it has to go to the left. The opposite down, back up, the same thing. Similarly the orange T here, it has to go to the right. And then this. 2 layers are done. Now the last layer, we have yellow center. So the first formula, F R U R prime U prime F prime, we get the L shape. The L shape should be like this only, and again the first formula, we get the line and then we get the plus. After getting that, we have to get 2 adjacent crosses. Yeah, we have already got it. Turn the top layer once, the U move and you get a cross on the other face. Now the second formula, R U R dash U R U squared R dash. So you get cross on all faces. Now look at any one of the corners. So yellow, orange and green, it's not in its position. So neither this, yeah, this yellow, blue and orange, it's in its place but not oriented properly. Yeah, you'll have only one of this. Keep this on the right side and do the third formula. And check for the other corners. So this will be like that only. This is solved. This is in its place. Even this and this. Now the fourth formula to orient all the yellow corners. So R dash D dash R D. Continue the same formula till you get yellow on top. After you get that, you have to rotate the top layer. Get the one which is not oriented and then the same formula. It's done. And it's solved. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Versatile Cubing signing off.